Check out this video description to find out how you too can get a 30% discount on a pair of these amazing Letour work lights. And of course, stay tuned to find out how you too can win one of these amazing Letour lights here on the channel to celebrate me hitting 10,000 subscribers. So you're working late at night on your car in the garage and you can't quite see down in your engine bay what is going on. Well, that's where one of these from Letour Lighting will get you out of trouble and allow you to continue seeing what you're working on. We've all been there, haven't we? Working on our car late at night in the wheel arch or in the engine bay, and things are quite dark. There's not enough light in there. You can't use your hands to hold a torch and work on the engine at the same time. So that's where one of these great little gadgets from Letour Lighting comes in really handy, because this little gadget has got a head strap that comes with it. Really easy to put the head strap on, which I'll show you right now. Just slot it through the two slots in the back of the head strap like so. You can see the whole engine bay and exactly what you're looking at. And the great thing about this head torch is it is rechargeable. And yes, it recharges off USB-C. And the great thing about this is you can preserve battery life by turning the brightness down, but you can also change it to red. So you could use this as a bike light on your bike at night time, or also this flashing feature so you can draw attention to people when you're out on that bike. So if we turn it off, and let's take a little bit of a closer look at it, because it's got some great little features, this.
Let's start by unboxing one of these new lights. First up, we have the light itself, which we'll take a look at. We also have the head torch strap, a USB-C charging cable, not particularly long one, but good enough for charging up your light. And also we have these two metal discs that have got a sticky back on them. And the principle for these is you can peel these off and stick these to a non-ferrous surface so that you can use the magnet in the torch to stick to anything. Take it out of the bubble wrap, and here is our torch. At the back here you can see the clips where the head torch strap goes through, and here we have the small USB-C charging port right there. It's got a rubber cover to keep it waterproof. This end is the magnet that you use to stick to ferrous metal items on the car. Then if we fold the lens out itself, here is our LED light. Now it rotates around, so you can spin it round to any position you want, folding it flat. So it's functional in lots of different positions. You can also rotate it on the bracket of the head torch itself here that you put through the strap. But we're going to turn this round and fold it flat. And I think there are around about 30 little LED lights on that. It's a nice robust design. It's made of plastic. It's nice and lightweight. It's got a battery obviously inside integrated into it, so it charges up nicely. It's got this magnet on the end again that we use to stick to items like that. You can see how strong that is. I can hold that metal disc and that is going nowhere. So I think that's a really good light. And to activate it, there's this button on the end that also shows the amount of battery charge. So if we turn it on, we can see we've got 4 blue LED lights that show how much battery is left. And there is the light on. We can turn it down to a dimmer setting that we've seen already, the red light, and also the flashing light. So that's what it looks like. So let's take a look at it functioning and see how it works in the dark.
Okay guys, I apologise for the low level of light outside, but it's pitch black behind me. I'm using the light from the house just to illuminate my face filming this, but we're going to show you how bright this head torch is outside. And when I say it's dark out here, if I step away you can see how dark it is, but there are cars here. So here we go, let's turn this light on and see how much we can see from it. There you go, look at that, look how bright that is. So if you're outside, I mean that's illuminating probably 20 or 30 feet down the garden, right down there. Let's woke the ducks up. So I can see all of this. I mean look at the car. You can see how papaya that car is right there just from that headlight. It's lighting up everything outside, and just to give you an idea of how dark this is out here, there's the car. Now it's gone. We turn it on. Just look at how good that is. What's great about this little light is right now you can pick up 2 of these on Amazon for just £14, and that's because they retail at £21 for 2 of these. But with my discount code of AndyCharger in your shopping basket, or if you use the link in this video description, you will get 30% off your purchase. So essentially you're getting 2 of these lights for the price of just 1, and I think that is a really good deal for these little lights. They're really bright, they illuminate everything, they charge up really quick, and I'm really pleased. And to be in with the chance of winning this light, all you need to do is share this video somewhere on your social media platform, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and put a comment down below telling me why you feel you should win one of these lights. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the Audi TT Mark 1, and of course the various review videos of items that can help you undertake maintenance on your car at home. See you soon.